Good morning, everybody. It's Ron, and I got some boating news for you. Now, this is tragic. Everyone should know that the Key Francis Bridge in Baltimore, Maryland collapsed due to a cargo vessel that hit to it. Now, I actually have a good perspective on what's going on in a situation like this because in September of 1993, I was in Mobile, Alabama, and I was one of the first ones to respond to the Sunset Limited crash that killed 47 people and 103 people injured. So it's a very chaotic situation right now. It's still developing. We truly don't know what was the cause of the collapse of the bridge in Baltimore. So let's go ahead and take a look at the video.
We're right next to the key bridge.
What the fuck?
Like, all them people on the bridge just died.
Oh my god.
The key bridge sinking. The bridge is gone. The bridge is gone. Holy hell.
Hey guys, again, our hearts and our thoughts go out to the families of the victims, and hopefully there wasn't a traumatic loss of life in this event. So why don't you go ahead and like and subscribe and hit the notification button, and I'll continue to put these videos up for everybody. And thank you much, and pray for these families.